Hello and welcome to the Happy Homemaker. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this old-fashioned banana bread recipe. Here is the list of ingredients, and now let's get started. We're going to start off by lining our loaf pan with parchment paper and then setting that aside. And now we're just going to be adding our dry ingredients to a bowl, starting with the flour. Then add in the baking soda and the salt, and then we're going to whisk that and set it aside. And now we're going to mash our bananas, 1.5 cups of them, and we're also going to set that aside. In another bowl, we're going to be adding in our brown sugar, granulated sugar, and our butter. And we're just going to be creaming that together with our electric hand mixer. And don't forget to scrape the sides. And then add in 1 egg at a time, making sure to mix after each egg. And just make sure that you scrape the sides again, just so we mix everything evenly. Now add in the banana and mix. And lastly, add in the vanilla and mix again. Let's sift over our dry ingredients over the wet, 1/3 of the dry ingredients at a time. And make sure to mix after each addition, but just until combined. We don't want to be over mixing. So just stop as soon as you see the last little bit of flour. Now we're just going to be transferring that to our loaf pan and baking it in the oven at 325 for about an hour. And that's what it looks like when it's finished. Yum! Now just transfer that to a cooling rack as soon as you can handle it and let that completely cool before slicing. I like to slice my breads with the serrated knife. And you can slice into any size that you'd like. And there you have it, delicious banana bread. I hope you enjoy this recipe. And if you want to see more recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Happy Homemaker. Bye!